Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today we'll be taking a look at Versace sunglasses model VE4361 in color code 5396-87. The color of the frame is pink. And these glasses are a rectangular shape. The lenses are light gray. And on the front of the frame, you'll find gold studs. The temples are also pink, and you'll also find the gold studs on the temples as well. And the Versace Medusa logo in gold on its temple. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Versace logo, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 53 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. These glasses are also perfect for the upcoming summer season. The glasses come with a Versace Gift Box, a Versace case with the Versace logo in gold on the front of the case, and also on the inside of the case, a Versace booklet, a black Versace cleaning cloth with the Versace logo on the cloth and the Medusa, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Luxottica. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.